Welcome, superb people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, we will be doing ripe bananas melon smoothie today. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you're new here, welcome. And to all my supporter, YouTubers, subscriber, follower, a big up, warm welcome to you all. So beautiful people, let's get started. This all ripe banana, I peel it and it was in the freezer, so I was wondering what to do with this. And then I said, you know what, I just gonna make some smoothie with it. Also, I like a piece of melon. It's some leftover melon, just a little piece I have. And you're gonna use 1 cup of milk, a piece of aloe vera. I like to put some aloe vera in my juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So the banana is frozen. And you're just gonna pour it out. Our melon, just gonna, you know, the white down all the way down here, it's very good. This white part of the melon, I'm telling you, it has so much benefit. You'd surprised to know. One day I'll do a video on it and let you know some of the benefit. So we're cutting deep in the melon. This thing cramp in my hand, it is so cold. And this melon is so sweet. We're gonna peel on the aloe vera. So you have a ripe banana and you're wondering what to do with it. You don't have to pour it out. You can just cut it and just keep it in the refrigerator, in the freezer. And you will come up with some good idea what to do. Look at this, guys. And we're gonna begin. So beautiful people, please remember to like, to subscribe, to share this video, share it with friends, and hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. You just blend this for 1 minute. I put it in the NutriBullet. So you have a blender, you can go ahead. And our ripe banana melon smoothie is ready. And look at it, guys, how creamy it is looking. So now I'm just gonna pour some out so you can see. Look at this. Wow. So beautiful people, the ripe banana melon smoothie is now ready for drinking. So please, guys, give it a try and enjoy. I love you and I thank you for watching D-Dawn Kitchen. Please take care. Peace. Bye for now.